Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez, Masaganda Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin na nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of June 13 hanggang June 19 for the sign of Capricorn. So, Capricorn, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Capricorn ang ating mahagilap. So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na guumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So guys, let's see ano kayang messages, advices sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Capricorn. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay mga ating may hagilap? So let's watch this. So this is the Empress card for revert, no? Kumbaga there's something in new beginning and there's a blessings, no? Coming in for you. Ano kasi sinasabi dito with the King of Pentacles, with the practicality. So, kailangan maging practical ka sa finances. So, let's see. Additional messages with the Five of Pentacles. So, see, there's a possible na magkakaroon ka ng financial crisis dito kung hindi ka magiging practical or being wise, no? Pagdating sa finances, pagdating sa pera, kailangan wise ka, listo ka. No, babaguhin ang eksena mo dito. Additional messages with the Three of Pentacles, collaborations, connections, no? Socialize, teamwork. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan hindi lahat ng mga tao sa paligid mo, kumbaga, papaboran mo pagdating sa paggastos, no? Kumbaga, maging, kumbaga, control ka, no? Baka iniyayaya ka ng coworkers mo, nakain dito, kain doon, gastos dito, gastos doon, bili dyan. Ay, magtantan ka, no, kuya? Mag-isip-isip ka. And this is a lover. So, this is a past information na pagdating sa love life, no? Maaaring, kumbaga, magdala sa'yo ng higher level commitment or either may asawa, may jowa ka, or may partner ka, or may kaharutan ka. And of course, parang nagre-represent dito, mag-ingat ka, may ahas sa paligid mo. Oh, natutuklaw sa partner mo. Additional messages. There's a Knight of Cups with an offer, proposal, engagement, no? There's an offer dito na magbibigay sa something on opportunities. So, let's see what is the Empress card. The Empress card represent, so, there's the Queen of Cups by healing. So, unti-unting paghilom, unti-unting paggaling. Or either magkakaroon ka ng bagong supling, no? Maaaring magbuntis ka o maaaring magkaroon ng bagong opportunity sa'yo or blessings. The King of Pentacles represent the King of Swords. Oh, being wise, no? Sinasabi ko, kailangan mo maging wise, no? Putulin mo yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi magsiserve sa'yo. Stop the pattern. Ayusin ang sistema. The Five of Pentacles represent, okay, the Seven of Pentacles. So, this is the harvest time. So, see, after nito na financial crisis, maaaring mo makuha mo yung what you deserve. No? Makakaranas ka ng pagtumal, pero eventually magtutuloy-tuloy din ang magandang kapalaran. The Three of Pentacles represent the Magician, collaboration, connections, no? Maaaring mamamanifest mo yung mga bagay na yan. Kailangan mo lang talagang tutukan yung negosyo, hanap buhay mo. The Lovers represent what? About sa love life, so there's a the Two of Swords, nagkakaroon ka ng indecision kung sino pipiliin mo, jowa mo, asawa mo. Maaaring may asawa ka, pero may kaharutan ka. At magtanta na kung sino dyan. This is the Three of Cups with the third party. So there's an offer. Oh, ibig sabihin, may asawa ka nga. Tapos may kaharutan ka pa. Oh my God. The Empress card because the Queen of Cups represent the Ace of Pentacles. So see, I told you, this is a new offer, a new opportunities, and this is a material offer for you. Now, malaking offer ito na parating sa'yo, guys. So, let's see what is the King of Pentacles and the King of Swords. Represent the Five of Cups. So, something regret, no? Kung hindi ka magiging wise, hindi ka magiging practical, masasayang yung opportunity na to. Nasasayang pa yung naghirapan mo. So let's see what is the 5 of Pentacles and the 7 of Pentacles represent the Sun card. So this is the pure positive outcome. So magiging maganda na ang kalalabasan nito. Nakaranas ka ng, kumbaga, kagipitan, utang, no? Kumbaga nabaong ka sa utang. Pero eventually, no, magiging, makakaraos ka din dyan, no? At magdadala sa ito ng kaliwanagan na kailangan mong, kumbaga, maging wais at maging mautak pagdating sa paghawak ng pera. The 3 of Pentacles and the Magician represent the Emperor. So this is the be mature and being grounded, no? Kailangan maging mature ka, maging matalino ka sa mga desisyon, sa lahat ng actions mo. Kumbaga lahat ng mga bagay dito ay kumbaga ikaw yung gagawa, no? Ikabubuti at ikasisira mo. So ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga lahat ng mga gagawin mo ay ma-manifest mo. So eventually guys, no? Kumbaga ibig sabihin dito, there's also into reality. Kung may mga pangarap ka, may gusto ka, matutupad mo kasi something ay high standard ka. Talagang, di ba? So, you have the power, no? So, let's see what is the Lovers and the 2 of Swords. Represent the 5 of Wands. So, see, I've told you, complication, competitors. So, mag-ingat ka ha. Kasi pagdating sa love life, maaari maguguluhan ka kung sino pipiliin mo. No? Mahal ko o mahal ako, or either kung sino nga ba sa kanila, no? Ang nauna o yung pangalawa. And there's a Knight of Cups, and of course the 3 of Cups represent the Knight of Pentacles, secure. Na maging secure ka, secure mo yung sarili mo. Kasi at the end of the time, kapag hindi ka naging wise at hindi ka naging matalino sa desisyon na to, mapag-iiwanan ka at mapaglilipasan ka ng panahon at pagkakataon. So let's see, what is the outcome? The 6 of Cups. So, this is the past person coming back. So, maaaring bumalik yung ex mo. Or either this is a something at friend or mutual friends. Or either connected sa'yo with something from the past, no? And of course, the Page of Pentacles with an investment, no? Invest wisely. Additional messages about sa career. So, this is the 2 of Cups with a partnership, no? So, kumbaga, mag-ingat sa pakikipag-socialize, pakikipag-ugnay, pakikipag-communicate. This is a tower moment for major changes. Na may mga pagbabago magaganap dito pagdating sa career mo. So, let's see additional messages about sa health. About sa love life, sorry. About sa love life, there's a devil. Temptation. Tukso, layuan mo ko. Parang ganon. There's a devil energy din na maaring there's something of black magic involved or something of toxicities. Additional messages nga. So, there's a the high priestess. So, there's a hidden agenda or hidden enemy. So, ibig sabihin, kaya ka nagkakaganong eksena kasi ginugulo yung utak mo. Or may gayumang eksena rin dito. Okay. Additional messages about sa love life pa. Sige nga. So, there's the 2 of Pentacles. So, see, binibilog yung utak mo. Magulo. Parang sinasabi, lutang ka. Additional messages about sa health. So, this is the Hierophant for a lesson learned, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mo iwasan pagdating sa health mo, no? Nakakasama to sa'yo. And there's the 9 of Pentacles with a blossoming abundance. So, maring gaganda ng kalusugan mo, parang may mga bagay lang na kailangan mong iwasan, no? Yung mga bawal sa yung kainin, bawal inumin, umiwas ka, no? So, let's see, guys, what is the magical fairy messages for you. For magical fairy messages, represent what? Magical fairy messages. So, there's a holiday. The answer you're looking for can be found during the vacations, no? Ngayon, mararanasan at mararamdaman mo daw yung mga katanungan mo, yung maaari masagot na. And there's a spring, no? There's a something blossoming, maaring lumago at lumakas ng yung finances. And even a love life, no? Magkaroon ng blossoming. Maaring, kumbaga, bumalik ang kilig, pagmamahal, or something yung mag-bloom ng inyong relationship. So, let's see what is a Yin and Yang Oracle card. For Yin and Yang Oracle card, represent what? There's a Strength card, no? There's a something confidence, no? Kailangan lakas ang pakiramdam mo. There's a Finder of the lost things. So, may mga bagay na nawala. May mga bagay na mawawala sa'yo. Kaya kailangan mag-ingat ka. There's a finder. No? Ibig sabihin, nakahanapin mo itong mga bagay na nawala. Pangungulila. Ganon. Baka mangulila ka, there's a love. See? Timbangin mo kung sino ang pipiliin mo. Yung asawa mo, o harutan mo. There's a something shooting star. So, talagang pinapakita dito kung sino talaga yung matimbang. So, let's see what is a Yin and Yang Oracle card. Represent what? So, there's an apology, no? May paghingi ng tawad dito from the past. And there is something limitation, no? Limitahan mo yung takot at pangamba mo. And there is something air with the Ace of air with the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, may kinalaman ng Gemini, Libra, Aquarius dito. Maaring jowa mo, asawa mo, or either partner mo, or person mo. And there's a reunion. See, mayroon talagang pagtatagpo from the past, no? Mayroon dito nga, kumbaga, nang galing sa nakaraan. May pagsungkit sa nakaraan at bubungkalin ng nakaraan. Parang gano'n. Something like that. So, let's see what is additional messages for Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael, messages for you. This is your life purpose. Ito yung purpose mo talaga sa buhay. No, ang mawindang at ang balik-balikan ng nakaraan. And this situation is already resolved. So some of you guys sa solusyon na at natapos na at may some of you guys nangyari na to sa ibang Capricorn. And it's time to leave the unhealthy situation. Kailangan mo nang kumawala sa mga hindi magandang sitwasyon. So let's see, what is the angel's number? Angel's number represent there's something better, no? May mas maganda pang dahilan or may maganda pang ibubunga tong eksena na to. A year from now, basta ngayon taon na to, may mga bagay na magaganap na at pagbabago. There's an Azure Angel, so kailangan mo humingi ng gabay sa ating mga angel spirit guides. So let's see, what is the chakra messages? For the chakra, there's a joy, no? Magiging maligaya ka dito. Additional messages. So, there's a dependence, no? Kumbaga, parang tuliro. Parang wala ka sa wisyo. Parang pili mo naguguluhan ka sa lahat ng nangyayari. Oh, dai. Ano to, kuya? Deserve mo ba to? Or sadya talaga nagkakataon lang? And there's an isolation, no? You're feeling stuck. No? You're feeling abandonment. You're feeling imprisonment dahil dito sa mga nangyayari sa'yo or mangyayari pa lang. Mag-ingat ka. Additional messages for romance angels. Pagdating sa romance angels, so there's a passion. No? Ipakita mo sa sarili mo o ipakita mo sa person mo yung talagang pagmamahal mo. No? And there's a religious factor. See? Some of you, there's a spiritual path. May gayumang ang involved din. My God, kuya, may involved ng gayuman dyan. So let's see what is the Moonsology. For Moonsology, the energy is gaining momentum. Kumbaga itong bagay na to, hindi mo to makakalimutan, tatatak daw to. And you are good enough. Sapat ka na, no? It's either ikaw yung nagayuma o yung person mo yung ginayuma. No? For Moonsology, additional, emotional running high. So, kumbaga magiging emotional ka this time. Ano to? Tears of joy? Or something, heartbreak? Oh! So, let's see. Additional messages for energy. And there's a financial constraint. So, see, makakaranas ka talaga ng, kumbaga, kagipitan or something, kumbaga marami kang utang nabaong ka sa utang, pero eventually, kumbaga, mababayaran mo din naman yan. And there's an angel of love, no? Talagang something na pinoprotectionan yung love mo dito, no? Kumbaga, alam mo yung ginulo yung utak mo, ginayuma ka or ginayuma yung person mo, pero yung pagmamahal nandun pa rin. Kaya pala something in angel of love. And there's the sun card, liliwanag lahat ng mga bagay, no? Kumbaga, pag umangat na ang liwanag talaga, kahit na madilim yung part na yan, kumbaga masisilayan mo yan at makikita mo talaga kung ano yung mga bagay na nakatago dyan. There's something, a blossoming abundance, talagang may paglago at may paglakas ng finances dito, no? So, let's see what is additional messages for angel spirit. And there's a courage, no? Kung sinasabi dito, labanan mo yung takot at pangamba mo. At sinasabi dito, lakasan mo ang loob mo, maging matapang ka at magkaroon ka ng kumpiyansa sa sarili mo. And there's an acceptance. May mga bagay na kailangan mong tanggapin. May mga bagay na kailangan mong himay-himayin na yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo ay hindi mo na mababago. Kaya kailangan mong tanggapin. No! Let's see what is additional messages. And there is a cleansing, no? Clarify. So, kailangan mo mag-cleansing. Some of you guys, oh my God, there's something of gayuma talaga. Something cleansing and clarifying. There's a spirituality. See? It's all about spiritual. Oh my God! So, ibig sabihin, I told you, there's a premonition. Nakita na to eh. Kumbaga, nakita mo na to sa dreams mo or something na may babala na o may paalala na sa'yo na mangyayari talaga to. Oh! And there's a unicorn by trust. See? Kumbaga magtiwala ka, oh my goodness, something gayuma talaga, there's a possible. Or maaaring ginayuma yung person mo or ginayuma ka. Additional messages for career change. No? Magbabago na yung career mo dito. And there's a study. Marami kang dapat maaralin. Or marami kang bagay na dapat matutunan. There's an oracle card. See? You are able to discern answer and guidance for yourself and others. So, kumbaga alam mo na yung kasagutan eh. Alam mo na yung kumbaga nagkaroon ka na ng instinct. Nagkaroon ka na ng intuition. Pero, dininay mo. No? Inignore mo. So, there's a possible na imbis na naiwasan mo yung bagay na yon. So, parang hindi mo kasi pinakinggan ang gabay na yon. And there's an easy does it. So, something detachment. So, something let go sa mga bagay na alam mong hindi mo kontrolado. So, let's see what is additional messages for angel spirit. And there is a portal. So, see, something reward. So, doors are opening for you, no? And there is the 7-star sister for something births creation. So, kumbaga talagang mangyayari yung mga bagay na mangyayari, no? Hindi ka pa pinapanganak, nakasaad na talaga yung mga bagay na mangyayari. With the prophecy. Oh, kaya parang sinabi na talagang mangyayari yung mga bagay na yan. Talagang kailangan mo maranasan. Jesus loving quotes, knock and shall be open to you. So see, kumatok na ang ating Panginoon eh, hindi mo lang pinagbuksan or kailangang pagbuksan. Sinasabi nga dito sa'yo, na binigyan ka na ng babala, binigyan ka na ng paalala, pero hindi ka nakinig sa iyong mga gabay. Oh. So let's see, what is additional messages for an angel's number? 5554, change. It's either hindi mo na mababago or kaya mo pang baguhin. You are going to level up. It might not feel good initially, but it will prepare you to handle the greater things in life for your highest good. That is why you've been looking for push through it. There's a reward waiting at the finish line. So, kumbaga kayang-kaya mo pang bawiin lahat ng mga bagay na yan, kayang-kaya mo pang solusyonan at kayang-kaya mo pang ipanalo. So, ibig sabihin, ngayon pa lang, actionan mo na, no? At gawanan mo na ng eksena. There's something reward at the end of the time. So, let's see what is the messages of life. Messages of life represent what? Return to the inner temple. So, sinasabi dito today, I've rediscovered my inner self in sacred silence. This is the inner temple in which I am able to calmly study the lessons life has provided me here. I regain my sense of tranquility. I retrieve my trust in the universe. But in the light of my inner temple, I now remember of the value each and every step of my life. So see, kumbaga unti-unti mo dapat tuklasin, unti-unti mo dapat himay-himayin ulit yung mga nangyari sa nakaraan, no? May mga bagay na uulitin ulit sa iyo yan. Kaya kailangan ngayon pa lang matutunan at aralin mo na yung mga bagay na dapat mong malaman at matuklasan. So ngayon pa lang kumbaga ilagay mo na sa puso't isip mo na may mga pagkakataon at may mga senyales ang ating mga gabay na binapaalam sa iyo na kailangan mong makinig, no? Nang mabuti sa kanila para maiwasan mo ang mga posibleng mangyayari at magaganap pa. So guys, this is a special gabay for the month of June 13 hanggang June 19 for the sign of Capricorn. So, Capri, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And kasi maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manubalik sa inyo at maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!